Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate in Google Translate from text to speech or vice versa. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Google Translate. Then what you can do is click on this text option over here, and let's suppose I want to click on detect language. I'm going to write English, but either ways I'm going to just click on detect language over here, and I'm going to translate something like hello and welcome to our channel. After I translate this, you can see the language over here. So you can choose any language of your choice, and you can see the speech or listen option over here. Now, this is how you can translate from text to speech. Just go ahead and listen to this.
Ciao e benvenuti nel nostro canale.
And if you want to translate from speech to text, you can see this option over here, this mic option. Just go ahead and press it and speak what you want to translate. So I'm going to press this and speak something. Hello and welcome to our channel. After then, click on this pause button and you can see that the speech has been translated and this has been turned into text. Now you can either copy it or you can listen to it once again.
Ciao e benvenuti sul nostro canale.
So guys, this is how you translate from text to speech or vice versa on Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.